Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are unboxing Chickadee. This is the 5th release of the 2025 Stablemate Collectors Club. This is a gambler's choice. So it was either a chocolate sorrel, a blue decorator Appaloosa, a chestnut pinto, or a palomino Appaloosa. So I like the chocolate sorrel. Don't much like the decorator, which was the blue Appaloosa, leopard Appaloosa. So let's see which one I got. Oh, that's fine. I'm okay with that. So I got the palomino Appaloosa. She looks good. She looks good. Let's get that opened up. And, I don't know what mold that is. Looks like a quarter horse. Looks like it's supposed to be a quarter horse. So let's get her out of the box. See what kind of flaws we're going to encounter. Oops. Come on. Sometimes they don't want to come out. All right, there she is. Let's get that wire off. So let's see. Nice face, although she looks scared. See how they had too much white? They kind of have that funny, scared expression. That eye's better. Sometimes it's just a little much. Now that would be correct for an Appaloosa to just see the white of the eyes, though. The masking is nice and crisp. They cleaned the mold line really well, and she's pretty. A little bit in here, but you're not going to see that if she's showing. She could show live. She could absolutely show live. What a lovely little model. Really nice. Really, really nice. Nice face. Absolutely lovely. So that's Chickadee. She's quite pretty. I hope you enjoyed her. Let me know what you think of this model. Let me know if you bought one, which one you got. And thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a good day.